Hi, my name's Mark with Finish First, and today I want to show you 5 new solution-based kits available at AutoZone. What's great about these kits is they have everything you need for the repair while following 3 easy steps: prep, fill, and sand. Today we're going to show you how to remove scratches with our scratch and chip repair kit. I thoroughly cleaned the vehicle, and now I'm going to use a prep wipe to remove all the wax and grease. Since we're close to the fender, we're going to go ahead and mask this off so we don't damage the fender. Use the 80 grit sandpaper on the micro zip and strip the repair area down to bare metal. Now we're going to switch out 80 grit to 180 grit. Use the 180 grit sandpaper to remove all of the 80 grit scratches and also feathering back so there's no hard edges. Thoroughly clean the area with the prep wipe before applying the finishing glaze. Before you mix the finishing glaze and the hardener, make sure that you knead both of them before dispensing. The filler and the hardener are 1-to-1 ratio, so there's no need to measure. When mixing the finishing glaze with the hardener, be sure not to stir it. Fold the filler in so that you don't create air pockets. Mix until the color is uniform. Use your spreader to apply a thin layer of finishing glaze over the repair area. What's great about the sandpaper is it's hook and loop so you can reuse it, and it's also color coded so you can easily identify each grit. Switch back to your 80 grit sandpaper to start sanding the finishing glaze to level it out. Use the cross-hatch method to level the surface. Now switch to the 180 grit sandpaper to remove all of the 80 grit scratches. Finally, switch to the 320 grit to remove all of the 180 grit scratches and feather edge the area. Now that we're done sanding, we're going to go ahead and clean the repair area, and you're ready for primer. Be sure to check out our other awesome solution-based kits. For more tips and tricks, visit our website at gofinishfirst.com and subscribe to our channel.